leave this house. Leave.
Gabriel, is this how you want to pay me back?
I said leave this house.
After so many years, guess what? You're not going to find any woman like me.
Yes, I will. No, you won't. You won't, I promise you. There are no good women out there. You have one good woman and you want to chase her away for what? Let me tell you something. Love is all about the heart. Before you start motivating, let me take off the wig I bought for her.
Gabriel, are you going to take this off for you?
Let him take it. Take off the wig since all you're after are material things. Good women are no more out there. Now you have one. Hey! What is this?
A lot of things are happening to me. Honestly, when they see na camouflage.
Who are you? Don't be gallo be this. Don't see him. They do men. Go and ask your grandfather.
You know what? If you don't see the beauty that is facing you like this,
okay.
Somebody else does. What? Bro!
Oh, guys, it's your fault. It's wig washing.
Thank you.
You know, all my life, I thought I had a type until I met you. You're not just my type. You are my manifestation.
I was...
Please be my girlfriend.
Oh my God! Sister's about to have a boyfriend! I'm so precious! Come here immediately! Precious! Sister's about to have a boyfriend! Oh, birthday! Truly, this is not a coincidence. This is a cosmic alignment. This is called the law of attraction and manifestation.
Exactly. This is called the law of attraction, and it says if you vividly visualize something, speak it into your existence and align it with your energy, and boom, it manifests. Oh, Uncle, you're such a manifestation. Today is my auntie's birthday. Today's her birthday, and today's life.
Hey!